Hello. In this short clip, I'm going to show you one of the ways that you can remove noise from what you are recording. There is so many powerful tools to do such things. Since I am not professional in dealing with video and audio, I will show you one of the very basic ways to enhance the quality of your voice and your recordings. Let me show you something at first. In this video that I have recorded, I turned the air condition and fan on, plus I didn't do anything to keep the place quiet. So if you can listen,
This is a sample video
see,
with
the quality is too bad. No issue. With Clipchamp, that is one of the tools that I can use, I will try to just take the audio from the clip like this. See, audio, detach audio. So by doing this, see, the audio is separated from the video. What is the next step? Let me show you. So the next step is opening a browser and come to this address, this URL. When you browse this URL, it asks you to create an account and log in. I already did. So I come here, upload, like this, and then it takes some time to enhance the speech of the file. I should wait. I will pause if it takes more than a few seconds, because the video would be long for no reason. Yeah, let me pause. If you remember, I already separated the audio from this video, so I just delete it. So now, see, there is no audio for this clip. So then import audio. I will add this and boom. So now I am expecting to have a voice in parallel for this video.
this is a sample
Yes.
video with raw noises and whatever is happening.
Yeah. So now the quality is very, very, very good. Then I can say export. Done. It exports the audio for you. Not only audio, the whole video with the audio. And you can publish it whenever you want. So if you want to have a high quality video with minimum knowledge of editing and these type of things, you can use these two simple application. I know you have so many ideas, you know so many powerful tools. See,
This is a sample video
but as I said, for somebody like me who doesn't know that much about these things, Using these two can be a good way to achieve the goal. Thank you so much, and I hope it could be helpful for you guys.